Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Shelby GT350H. And this one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $131,000. And it was a nice car. The seller's statement was listed in the Shelby registry, and it's a very original car. There were 1,000 Hertz cars in 66, 800 were black and gold. Doesn't mention the mileage, but I noticed in my picture, in the video, it looks like it has 5,613 miles on the odometer. Now, I don't know if that's 5,000 original miles or 105,000, or if it was spun back to zero when the car was restored, because the car has been totally restored. Looks like it has a Pennsylvania inspection sticker on it from 1988. So it could have been restored back in 88. I don't know the exact details. The seller didn't say much. It brought all the money, so that kind of makes a statement about the car. And as far as the Hertz cars goes on the Shelbys, the sales arrangement with Hertz, which Ford was one of the major owners of, was to get 1,000 GT350s to add to its rental fleet. And after they were done with the rental portion, then they were to go right back to Ford and be refurbished and sold to the public through the dealers as GT350H models. Like I said, most of them were black with the gold Cunningham stripes and rocker panel stripes, although a few were white with blue stripes. And apparently the first 85 Hertz cars were available with 4-speed manual transmissions, and Hertz advertised them as rent-a-racer cars. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.